How to set up Shopify payments. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to set up Shopify payments really easily with this quick tutorial. So let's get started. First, open up Shopify and you will get right here, log into your Shopify. Now we want to add a payment method and I'll show you all of the different options available on Shopify. Click on your settings right here and then you simply have to click on payments. Right here in payments, we have three options available. The first one is a payment provider. It is going to be a third party that allows you to add different payment methods. Click on choose a provider and you will find all of the different providers on Shopify. You can see right here we have, for example, AirPay, and it has Visa card, Master, and American Express. Almost all of these different options have Visa, Master, and American, and then there are some extras as well, such as Discover, and then we have JCB, Apple Pay, and more. So all you have to do is you just connect your third party, such as Stripe, to your Shopify. You can see right here. To connect Stripe, I will just log into my Stripe account and then I will be able to connect it to my Shopify and enjoy different payment methods with this third party. The second option on Shopify is the supported payment methods. Click on add payment method and it will show you all of the different supported methods on Shopify. You can see it has Visa, MasterCard, JCB, American Express, Bitcoin, Discover, Union Pay, Trustly, BLK, Ideal, WeChat Pay, TOS, Klarna, Ethereum, USD, PayNow, Zip, BC Card, KB Card, Samsung Card, ATM Bursarma, Ovio, Samsung Pay, 7-Eleven, Pay Easy. So you can just search for different payment methods and you will be able to simply add them to your Shopify. So it's a direct payment method. If I want to add Visa, so I will just select it, MasterCard, American Express, then I can add Discover, Union Pay, and others. You can see right here the transaction fee is going to be 0% and I can just activate this method from here and it will allow me to add this payment method. We can also go with some manual payment methods on Shopify. You can see right here in manual, we have bank deposit, money order, and cash on delivery. I can also create one of my own, but it also allows bank deposit and cash on delivery. So you can just select the option and then of course enter your details for bank deposit or COD. This way you will be able to receive payments on Shopify really easily and enjoy a successful business online. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.